Welcome to another episode of Breaking Bank with your host, Jack McKeag. Check us out on libertyaid.org or contact@libertyaid.org. This video is an explanation of courage and cowardice. So, courage is when you know the right thing and you do it. That's what courage is. Cowardice is when you know the right thing to do and you don't do it. See, that's the difference. And if you have courage, you're with God, and if you're a coward, you're not with God. See, that's the defining line right there. Okay? So I've never met anyone with courage, not face to face. I haven't met. Maybe two. One. You know, the courage to do the right thing against the bankers, against the government, against whoever in God's name. I've met one individual who's helped me get as high as I am now. Of course, God never leaves a body, and he's always in a body, and I know who that is. That's, good that I do, but he says I have to serve you to get out of here. So I continue to do that. Since, I don't know anyone with courage, and I've never met them face to face except for God himself, right? It's like, 1 in a million is an understatement, what Mayor Baba says. I mean, you don't get to meet them. Anyone with courage during your lifetime, you just don't get to do it unless you meet God. Like, he set it up so there's no one you'll ever meet that has courage. They'll all be cowards. Everyone in your family, everyone you've ever met, everyone will be a coward and will never do the right thing. They'll all talk about it, but they'll never do it. Never. So, that's just the reality of the situation. To the few people that have courage and want to do the right thing, get in touch with me. Contact at libertyaid.org and I'll help you. Is the 2-year anniversary is coming up of Christian Ministries Trust's existence, the contract with God where you don't owe any income taxes or inheritance taxes, the proof of that, and to leave, here, right, and go back to God, right? The contract for that, it exists. It's been in existence for 2 years now, and I prove it. So, but really, no one's interested. Humans aren't interested in this concept. No one is. You know who I find who has a real passion, for their work? Is the super cowards. The shadow of God, those who worship Satan and so on. They're the only ones with the passion to do, their life. They have a passion to do the wrong thing. Okay, they have the passion to know, they know what's right, and they do the opposite all day long, every day, but they have a passion for it. They love their work of doing the wrong thing. I respect them for that, okay? But you who say you're with God or want to be with God, no respect, none, because you're not doing anything to be with God. So I'll be, I can't get out of this hell, this sphere, this place that I'm stuck in. God won't kill me, he doesn't allow us to kill ourselves and get out of here, and I'm unkillable. They won't kill me, they won't get me out of here. They'll give me death threats every day, all day. I get death threats from my family, I get death threats from friends, I get death threats from government employees, I get death threats from almost every human being. Okay, I get a death threat every day, all right? I get all the people around me want me dead. That's pretty much always in a constant. So I'm at the drum circles in Nokomis. It's Wednesday and Saturday, and Siesta it's on Sunday. I'm there most times. It's a spiritual war in that circle. Please, God won't allow me to kill myself. Please come and kill me. You with the passion, right? On the other team, on God's shadow, you love Satan. I'm with God. I prove it. I'm unkillable. Come, please, try and kill me and get me out of here. Please. God won't do it for me. You come and try, please, all right? And God bless your success and get me out of this place, all right? I'm on the 6th plane. Once I get, to the 5th, I don't have to take a body anymore. I don't have to come back and do this thing with you all. I don't have to. So please, if you have the courage, right, to, you want to move up on the shadow team, on Lucifer's team, come kill me. It'll get you mad props, yo. You'll go up the ladder, everything, right? They all want me dead. Everyone in hell, everyone here wants me dead. So please, come. I don't want to talk with you. I don't want to sit with you. I don't want to hear from you. None of that shit, right? I don't like cowards, okay? I have to love everyone. I have to serve them. I do that, okay? But I don't want to have fucking speak to you or hang out with you or none of that shit. Just please come. You high-powered rifle from outside the circle, or I'm sitting near it or walking away in my car, whatever. Just do me, please. Please, I beg you. I'm begging you, okay? Please get me out of here. I can't do it on my own. I have to sit here and serve a species of cowards where no one has courage. A handful out there, okay? You handful that I've interacted with over the internet and never met, great. I'm happy to help you. I'm here to serve you. I'm going to continue doing that because God says I have to. But please, if anyone has the power, please, I'm not this body. I'm just going home to God after this. Please, I don't give a fuck. Please, help me out. Help yourself out. You'll move up in the ranks. You'll be in supercharge here. You'll be like, they'll move you to the head of the whatever you want club. You know what I mean? I have no desires for anything here. I just want to leave. Right? So please, I'll be there. Come do me. I'm begging you. Until then, I'm here to serve you. My work is proven. If anyone has any courage in the human race and wants to, quit paying taxes and not pay your debt, I mean, maybe some more will come. I've already met a handful. Maybe there's some other individual out there in this species who isn't a coward. I've never met you, but maybe you exist. If you do, I'm here to help you. All right, and God bless your success. Jai Baba.